Dear honorable viewers, all the students of class 9 and their parents, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to the assignment solution for 2022 fourth week. Subjects of this week are mathematics, physics, accounting, history of Bangladesh and world civilization. And today's topic is mathematics. If you already subscribed in my channel, thank you very much. If not, please subscribe now to get the notification of next video, and that will inspire me for the next video development. For this, click on the subscribe button below the video, then click on the bell icon and then click on the option all. Let's see the assignment. Guidelines. The problem about the algebraic expression x is equal to root over m plus root over m minus n, and y is equal to root m plus root 5 plus root 3. Number A, prove that x plus 1 by x is equal to n plus 1 whole into root over m plus m minus 1 whole into root over m minus n by n, where m and n are integer number and m n is greater than 0. Number B, find the value of y square minus 1 by y square. Number C, show that the sum of cube of y and cube of inverse expression is 63 by 4 into root 5 plus root 3. Indicator. Number A, prove the mathematical sentence. Number B, find the value of mathematical expression. Number C, prove and find the value of mathematical sentence by determine the value of given mathematical expression. Title of the assignment: the problem about the algebraic expression x equal root m plus root m minus n, y equal root 5 plus root 3. Assignment number 2. Let's go to the main point. Answer to the question number A. Given x is equal to root over m plus root over m minus n. Therefore, 1 by x, I mean inverse x, is equal to 1 by root over m plus root over m minus n. Is equal to 1 into root over m minus root over m minus n by root over m plus root over m minus n whole into root over m minus root over m minus n. Here I have multiply the numerator and denominator by root over m minus root over m minus n, and in the next line the answer will be, here I have multiplied 1 by root over m minus root over m minus n, and the answer is root over m minus root over m minus n. And here I have used a formula a square minus b square. Here if we apply the formula a square minus b square, then we find that a plus b into a minus b. So we can apply a minus b a square minus b square formula. So in the next line I have written root over m whole square minus root over m minus n whole square, and in the next line the result is root over m minus root over m minus n by m minus n whole. Here square and root, I have given up the square and root, and here I have given up the square and root. In the next line, root over m minus root over m minus n by m minus m plus n. Here minus and plus make minus and minus make plus. Look very carefully. Whereas in front of bracket there is a minus, so this minus will convert it to plus. So in the next line, m and m, we can subtract m by m, and only in the result is n in the next line. So root over m minus root over m minus n by n. Therefore LHS is equal to x plus 1 by x is equal to root over m plus root over m minus n. It is the value of x, and root over m minus root over m minus n by n, it's the value of 1 by x, I mean inverse x. And in the next line, look very carefully. Here I have used largest common multiples n. Largest common multiple is n, so here I have multiplied this value with n. So the result is, I mean the product is n root over m plus n root over m minus n plus, and here I have written only the denominator, root over m minus root over m minus n. In the next line, look very carefully. I have only changed the position. Here n root m plus, here I have changed the position of root m here, and n root over m minus n, I have changed the position here, and this position is remain. So in the next line I have kept common from these two m root over m, and from these two I have kept common m root over m minus n. Then the next line will be n plus 1 root over m, and here n minus 1 root over m minus n by n. RAS is proved, I mean right hand side proved. Answer to the question number B. Given y is equal to root 5 plus root 3. Therefore y square is equal to root 3 plus root root 5 plus root 3 whole square. Here we have to use a plus b whole square formula. If we use a plus b whole square formula, then the next line will be root 5 square plus 2 into root 5 into root 3 plus root 3 square. And if we square root 5, then the result will be only 5, and here the result will be only 3, and here we have to multiply 2 root 5 and 3. Then the next line will be 5 plus 2 root 15 plus 3. So we have found that y square is equal to 5 plus 2 root 15 plus 3. Here 5 and 3 makes 8. Then the next line will be 8 plus 2 root 5. So y square is equal to 8 plus 2 root 5. And now inverse y square, I mean 1 by y square is equal to 1 by 8 plus 2 root 15. And here I have multiplied numerator and denominator by 8 minus 2 root 5. Then the result will be, here look very carefully, we can use a plus b into a minus b formula, that means a square minus b square formula. So the next line will be 1 into 8 minus 2 root 15 by 8 square minus 2 root 5 whole square is equal to 8 minus 2 root 5. 8 square is equal to 64, and here 2 square is equal to 4, and root 5 square is equal to 15. Here 4 into 15. Then the next line will be 8 minus 2 root 5 by 64 minus 60. Here the product of 15 and 4, multiplication of 15 and 4, the product will be 60. And here we have to subtract 60 from 64, and the result will be 4, and here we can keep common 2. Then the factor will be 2 into 4 minus root 15. And now we can divide numerator and denominator by 2. Then the result will be 4 minus root 15 by 2. So we have found, we have determined that 1 by y square is equal to 4 minus 15 by 2. Therefore y square minus 1 by y square is equal to 8 plus 2 root 15 minus 4 minus 15 by 2. In the next line, 2 is largest common multiples, and that's why we have multiplied 8 plus 2 root 15 by 2, and the result is, the product is 16 plus 4 root 15, and here 4 minus 4, here minus and minus makes plus, and 15. And in the next line, here I have subtract 4 from 16, and the result is 12, and here 4 root 5 and root 15 make 5 root 15 by 2. So we have found the value of y square minus 1 by square y square is equal to 12 plus 5 root 15 by 2. Answer. Answer to the question number C. Given y is equal to root 5 plus root 3, therefore y cube is equal to root 5 plus root 3 whole cube is equal to root 5 cube plus 3 into root 5 square into root 3 plus 3 into root 5 into root 3 square plus root 3 cube. So in the next line, the result will be 5 root 5. If we make cube of root 5, then the result will be 5 root 5, and then plus 3 here 3 and 5 square 5 and root 3, and here plus, this plus is here 3 3 5 root 5 and root 3 square is equal to 3, and here root 3 cube is equal to 3 root 3. Then in the next line will be 5 root 5 plus 3 times 5 is equal to 15, 15 root 3 plus 3 times 3 is equal to 9, 9 root 5 plus 3 root 5. Then the result will be 5 root 5 and 9 root 5 is equal to 14 root 5 and 15 root 3, and 3 root 3 is equal to 18 root 3. So the next line will be 14 root 5 plus 18 root 3. So we have found the value of y cube is equal to 14 root 5 plus 18 root 3. Now therefore 1 by y cube is equal to 1 by 14 root 5 plus 18 root 3, and in the next line I have multiplied denominator and numerator by 14 root 5 minus 18 root 3. Numerator and denominator are multiplied by 14 root 5 minus 18 root 3, and the next line will be 14 root 5 minus 18 root 3 by 14 root 5 square minus 18 root 5 root 3 square. Here I have used a square minus b square formula. Then in the next line will be 14 root 5 minus 18 root 3 by, here 14 square is equal to 196 into root 5 square is equal to 5, minus here 18 square is equal to 324 into root 3 square is equal to 3. So in the next line 14 root 5 minus 18 root 3 by, here 196 into 5 the product will be 980 minus here 324 into 3, the product will be 972. And now we have to multiply we have to subtract 980 by 972, and the result will be 8, and in the above 2 into, here I have kept common 2, and the remaining part will be 7 root 5 minus 9 root 3. And now we have to multiply, we have to divide denominator and numerator by 2, then the result will be 7 root 5 minus 9 root 3 by 4. So y cube plus 1 by y cube is equal to, here the value of y cube is equal to 14 root 5 plus 18 root 3, and 1 by y cube, the value of 1 by y cube is equal to 7 root 5 minus 9 root 3 by 4. And in the next line I have used 4 as largest common multiple, and that's why I have to multiply 14 root 5 plus 18 root 3 by 4, and the product will be 56 root 5 plus 72 root 3. And here this is the next remaining part, 7 root 5 minus 9 root 3. And in the next line, here 56 root 5 and 7 root 5 is equal to 63 root 5 and 72 root 3. From 72 root 3 I have subtracted 9 root 3, then the result is 63 root 3 by 4. And here we have to keep common 63 by 4, and the remaining part will be root 5 plus root 3 short. Thank you very much for watching, and keep watching for the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.